Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a decluttering video slash spring cleaning slash organizing my room, because my room is a hot mess. Yeah, so my daughter, she is with her godmom right now. Thank you, Jade, for watching her while I clean this nasty, dirty, cluttered room. Okay, so yeah, before I get into the video, I'll just show you the room beforehand. Okay, this is the room. Okay, I'm gonna be like reorganizing this. Like, my daughter, she is 6 months, so she's like wearing 6 to 9 months, 12 months clothes. So anything under that, I'll be giving it away. She doesn't sleep in her crib, so like, yeah, I'm about to clean that out. This right here is my summer clothes. So I'm about to take all my winter clothes that I want for next year and put it in here and put my summer clothes out. And I also will be giving away some of my clothes. So yeah, in my bed. So so now that you've seen my room, let's get into the cleaning. So I am starting with the cleaning with getting my daughter's dirty clothes and putting them in the washer. Then I am taking all her boxes out of the closet, which contains her onesies, her pants, and her pajamas, out, and I'm gonna put them on the bed so I can sort through them just a little bit easier. I'm not gonna bore you guys with my voiceovers. I'm just gonna explain to you just a little bit that the clothes that I do not want, I am putting closest to the camera, and I plan to donate them. Second, I will be going through my clothes, and the clothes that I do not want, I will be donating them also. And the hoodies and sweaters I will fold and put away and save them for next year. Now I am going to play some music just to get you guys in the mood and motivated to clean. But before I do that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. More videos are coming soon, and give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, be honest and give it a thumbs down, and just leave a comment and let me know why you gave it a thumbs down. Thank you, and here you go. finishing up with this area and moving to clean my bed. I just want to let you guys know I did move my bed over against the wall because my daughter, she does sleep with me, and I know some people will frown on that, but she is safe with me in my bed because we don't sleep with a lot of pillows, and I'm not a heavy sleeper and I don't roll, so she is safe with me. But I moved the bed against the wall because she's 6 months and she's beginning to roll and start crawling, and I don't want her to fall off the bed while she sleeps. So that's why I did move the bed against the wall. Now you will see me put new comforters on my bed, and the comforter came from TJ Maxx. So if you like it, go to TJ Maxx and you can find it. The pillow that says hello on it is sold separately, just to let you know. Also, I know you see my blinds. Yes, I'm that person that look out the window to see what's going on in the neighborhood. But it is time for me to get some curtains, and I ordered some off of Amazon. If you want to see what they look like, follow me on my Instagram, juggling_motherhood_ to see what they look like. And yeah, let's get back into the video. Hopefully you guys hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And I also hope that you guys find some motivation from this video. Thanks for watching.